Learn how to make multi-purpose stand from used tin cans and jute thread. Step 1. Cover the tin can with jute thread using fevicol. Perform the same process with cans and bottles of different sizes. And paste a thick paper in the internal walls of the can as shown. Decorate the can as per your preferences. For the base, take a circular cardboard piece and cover the same with the jute thread as shown. Stick the cans on the base accordingly. Cut 2 strands of jute thread and join them as shown in the video. Decorate the stand with these jute petals and things easily available at your home. Your homemade multi-purpose stand is ready. You can place any item in your stand as per your preferences. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to view similar content.